the staff advisor of the Formula Student team. Briefly tell you about the specs of the car that we'll be racing there in Spain. The aerodynamic package, the motor controller, all the electronic parts, the sensors, everything that is fabricated locally in Sri Lanka in the University of Moratuwa by the undergraduate students.
මම ජේෂ්ඨ කතිකාචාර්ය ආචාර්ය ජේ.ආර් ගමගේ මොරටු විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ යාන්ත්‍රික ඉංජිනේරු අංශය. අපි මොරටු විශ්වවිද්‍යාලයේ Falcon රේසින් කණ්ඩායම. Falcon රේසින් කියන්නේ ෆෝමියුලා ස්ටුඩන්ට් වර්ගයේ තරඟාවලියකට සහභාගී වෙන කාර් රථයක්. තනියම පැදවිදිය හැකි ෆෝමියුලා වර්ගයේ කාර් රථයක් හදලා අන්තර්ජාතික මට්ටමේ තියෙන විවිධ තරඟාවලි වලට ඉදිරිපත් කරන දෙයක්. දැන් මේකේ අපේ ෆෝමියුලා ස්ටුඩන්ට් ටීම් Falcon රේසින් කාර් එක ස්පාඤ්ඤයට යවන්න අපිට ලොකු සහයෝගයක් දැක්ුණා ඒලිස් ඇඩ්වාන්ටිස් සමාගම. ඒ සහයෝගය නැතිනම් අපිට මේක ලොකු බරපැනක් අපිට මේක සාර්ථක පිනකල් එකක අපිට දකින්න බැරි වෙනවා.
Being a part of Team Falcon Racing has taught us many things, from designing a car to manufacturing a car, and all the engineering behind it was wonderful. And I would personally want to thank Advantis for helping us out, sponsoring us for the logistics. And this has been a great experience for us.
This is a really great opportunity as an undergraduate of Mechanical Engineering Department. As a team, we are so grateful for Advantis and giving all the support to complete our logistics so smoothly.
At Advantis, we are proud to support initiatives that make a lasting impact. That's why partnering Team Falcon as their platinum sponsor and their official logistics partner was so meaningful to us. Our role was to make sure that all the specialized equipment reached Spain on time, using all our expertise. Our role is much more than logistics here. We are really glad to support all young entrepreneurs and innovators as well as engineers reach their potential in sustainable innovation. So we wish Team Falcon all the very best, and I hope they keep the Sri Lankan flag flying.
We Advantis are delighted to be the official logistics partner and the platinum sponsor of the Falcon Formula team that's traveling to Spain to compete with some leading university teams. The Formula Student Spain event will be an exciting one, where there will be leading universities taking part, and I'm sure our team from Sri Lanka will be able to compete fiercely and to succeed and come out as winners.